Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Ubuntu 25.10 on a PC, step by step from start to finish. This is a complete and beginner-friendly installation guide, and even if you're installing Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, Ubuntu 23.10 or any other Ubuntu Desktop version, the installation process is almost exactly the same. So once you understand this video, you'll be able to install any modern Ubuntu version with confidence. So let's start with what Ubuntu is. Ubuntu is a free and open source Linux operating system developed by Canonical. It is widely used because it is stable and secure, easy to use for beginners, powerful enough for developers and professionals, backed by a large global community. Ubuntu is commonly used for daily desktop computing, software development, servers and cloud platforms, learning Linux and open source technologies. Ubuntu releases include LTS long-term support versions supported for 5 years, regular releases like Ubuntu 25.10 which include newer features and updates. In this video, I'll walk you through downloading Ubuntu from the official website, creating a bootable USB using Rufus, accessing the boot menu on your PC, installing Ubuntu step by step, first boot and basic setup. Again, these steps apply to almost all Ubuntu desktop versions. Before installing Ubuntu, make sure your system meets these minimum requirements: 64-bit processor, at least 4 GB RAM, 8 GB recommended, at least 25 GB of free storage, a USB drive with at least 8 GB capacity. To download Ubuntu, open your web browser and go to the official Ubuntu website, ubuntu.com. Click on download, then select Ubuntu Desktop. You'll see the latest version available, Ubuntu 25.10. Click download Ubuntu 25.10 and wait for the ISO file to finish downloading. If you download any other Ubuntu version, such as Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, the installation process remains same. Once the ISO file is downloaded, you'll need to create a bootable USB installer. In this video, I'm using Rufus, which is one of the most reliable and widely used tools on Windows. However, you can also use PowerISO, Balena Etcher, Ventoi, or any other bootable USB creation tool. The final result is the same, regardless of which tool you use. First, download and open Rufus. Insert your USB drive into the computer. In Rufus, device, select your USB drive. Boot selection, choose the Ubuntu ISO file. Partition scheme, select GPT for UEFI systems. Select MBR for legacy BIOS systems. Target system will be selected automatically. You can leave the remaining options at their default values. Click Start, confirm the prompts, and wait for the process to complete. Warning, this will erase all data on the USB drive. If you're using PowerISO or any other tool, the steps may look different, but the concept is same. Select the Ubuntu ISO, select the USB drive, create the bootable media. Once the USB is ready, the Ubuntu installation steps are identical. Now insert the bootable USB into the PC where you want to install Ubuntu. Restart the computer and open the boot menu. Common boot menu keys include F12, F10, Escape, F2, Delete. The key depends on your PC or motherboard manufacturer. From the boot menu, select your USB drive. From the boot menu, select your USB device and press Enter. After booting from the USB, you will see the Ubuntu welcome screen. Ubuntu will load the installer environment. Choose your preferred language, then click Next. Select your keyboard layout or allow Ubuntu to detect it automatically. Click Next to continue. Connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet if available. Select Try or Install Ubuntu. Choose between interactive installation or automated installation if you have auto install file. After that, you can choose between the default selection or the extended selection for the apps to start with. choose whether to install updates during installation, install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. For most users, enabling both options is recommended. Installation type. You'll now choose how Ubuntu is installed. Options include erase disk and install Ubuntu alongside another operating system. Manual partitioning, it's for advanced users. Choose carefully, especially if you have important data. This step is the same for all Ubuntu versions. In this step, you need to choose between if you want to encrypt your file with passphrase or no encryption at all. I'll choose no encryption for now. Now let's create an user account. Enter your name, password, choose whether to log in automatically, require a password to log in. Next we have time zone. Select your time zone, then click next. Click next to begin installation. Ubuntu will now install on your system. This typically takes 10 to 20 minutes depending on your hardware. Once complete, you'll be prompted to restart the computer. Remove the USB drive when asked. After restarting, your system will boot into Ubuntu 25.10. Log in using the credentials you created. Ubuntu is now ready to use. Important reminder about other Ubuntu versions. Whether you install Ubuntu 25.10, Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, Ubuntu 23.10, the installation steps, layout, and workflow remain almost identical. Only minor visual differences may exist between releases. That's it for this video. You've successfully learned how to install Ubuntu 25.10 on a PC step by step. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.